So from here, these are the three levels here. So the first one is the campaign level. Now you need to name your ad. What are you trying to sell? Remember, we want to sell that smartwatch that we created the video for. So name your ad, because if you have up to 5 or 6 or more ads, the naming is going to help you to separate which one is which and all that. So you're just going to name it smartwatch, or maybe be specific. We are selling Series 9 smartwatch. So you need to copy it. Just copy it because you still need it. So now this is the name of the campaign, and when you come down, special ad category, you have nothing to do here. Come here, nothing to do here. Make sure you touch nothing. Don't touch anything here. Just go ahead, click on next. You're done with the campaign level. Then it takes you to the next level, which is the ad set. As you can see, this is the ad set. You need to name your ad set as well. Now, this is the part where you do your targeting. You can name it targeting, or simply just name it the same thing. All right. So let's name it the same thing. Now, you need to choose conversion. Where do you want people to go to? Of course, is a website. This is going to be website. You can also choose to send people to messaging app. If you choose messaging app and come down here, you can now see WhatsApp. You can connect your WhatsApp account. You can connect your Instagram. You can connect your Messenger. But here, because we want to use our seller account, we are going to use WhatsApp. Then we just come down. Now, performance, maximum number of conversion, leave it at that. That's what it should be. Then you need to choose a pixel. Now, this pixel is a must. If you don't add a pixel, this is not going to work. All right. So this pixel is going to help Facebook to track the activity, track your sale, give you back reports, tell you number of sales you've got, the total amount you've made for the total this your ad that you're running, and a lot of other informations that you will need. People that abandoned cart, people that checked out your page and all that. So it must be there. If you don't create this pixel, it's not going to work. So this is that pixel that we created. Look at it. It is here. That seller pixel. Then conversion event. What do you want to record? What do you want Facebook to give you a report? How do you want them to charge you? When do you want them to charge you? So is it when people make payment? Is it when they add to carts? Is it when they add to wish list? Is it when they search? Is it when they subscribe? Whatever. But we want them to only charge us when someone buys. So when there's a purchase, then they should charge us. This is it. So this is the most effective one. So until someone goes to our seller page and then does the add to cart and makes payments, Facebook will record that as a purchase and then tell us that we now have a purchase. 1 purchase, 2 purchase, 3 purchase, and all that. So that's all you need to do here. You go down, come down to all this place. You just keep going down. Don't worry about all this place. Everything is, leave it the way it is. The next important thing here is the budgeting. Now, daily budget, leave it at daily budget. Don't leave it at lifetime. Make sure it's at daily budget. Then automatically, how much are you going to spend per day? So how much are you going to be spending per day? Automatically, Facebook has told us that we need to spend 4,000 naira per day. Now, if you're just starting out, you may want to just use 2,000. I recommend you use 2,000 naira per day to be on a safer side. So this means that Facebook is going to spend 2,500 naira maximum, and then sometimes some days they will spend 1,400 depending on. So as you begin to run your ad, as it begins to go, you can be increasing this budget, increase it to 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, and all that. So make it just leave it at 2,000 and continue. Then the start date, let it start the day you want. Just choose any day you want. Today is 14th May 2024, so you can just leave it to start at this day, or you can choose any day. You can change this date to any day. If you want it to start tomorrow, if you want it to start next week, anytime you want it to start. But I always want my ad to start by the next day. I just leave it at the next day by 00 by 12 o'clock. So I just leave it like this. Now the next thing, end dates. Now this end date, when do you want it to end? Now don't put an end date, since you can always manually turn it off and pause your ad and resume it. So there's no point putting an end date. If you put 3 days there, just allow Facebook to do their thing to give you a maximum result. Okay, so there's no need for this. Then you go down. Let's go down. The next thing is your audience. The audience control. Which place you want your ad to run? By default, is it going to be in your country? If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, wherever you are, it's going to be in your country. So you can change this thing. If you want it to run in Nigeria alone, then you leave it at Nigeria. I mean, this ad is going to run all over Nigeria. Any person that is located in Nigeria is going to see your ad as it keeps running. Okay, so but if you want to run in more countries, you can add another country. Maybe you also want it to run in Ghana. You can now run it in Ghana, but this is not advisable. If you want to run it in Ghana, the best, if you want to run in another country, the best thing is to duplicate the ad and then change the country. So make sure you leave it at Nigeria only, then the ad will run in Nigeria. Okay, so but depending on the kind of product you sell, if it is not a digital product, if it is something you need to deliver, you have to consider how you can deliver those things. Now, if you're in Lagos, for example, and then you want to run your ads in the whole of Nigeria, someone in Kano State may place an order and you cannot be able to deliver to the person. Someone in Kebbi State, someone in Taraba, someone in Okene, in all those places, they may just place an order because you're running the whole of Nigeria. Someone in Ogun State. So to avoid that, what you need to do is to cancel this Nigeria and then put the location that you can deliver to Lagos. See, Lagos, you choose this first one, Lagos as a city. So maybe you also want to sell to Abuja. You can choose Abuja here. You can add as many cities as you want. Maybe you also want to sell to Benin. You can add Benin City. So you choose the first one, Benin, Nigeria. Make sure it's Nigeria. So as you can see, this is how to do your targeting. You can add as many cities as you want or remove as much cities as you want. Just narrow it down to whatever you desire, then it's good. The next thing you want to come down to advanced audience. So if you want to do detailed targeting, you can switch to original audience, but leave it at advantage plus audience because Facebook is going to do their thing. They are expert. They know what is going to work for you. So they'll help you do the thing. But in case you want to do your own personal targeting, you really want people that want only watches, then you can click on this switch original audience and then do your detailed targeting. But that's not necessary. As you can see, they've upgraded this page and they've removed even that it used to be here before. You can do your detailed targeting here, but they are going to do that for you automatically with this advantage plus audience. So don't bother about that. So the next thing is the placement. They have also done that for you. As you can see, advantage plus placement. They are going to help you place it in the best places that your ad is going to get results because their aim is to get you results, to give you results. If you want them to sell your product, they're going to send you buyers. That's their aim. So they want to do the work, just leave them. But if you want to do the placing by yourself, just click on more. So for the placement, you just let them do the placement. So for the placement, you just let them do, leave it the way it is. They will do the automatic placement, and I think everything here is good. You've done your location, your audience. Also, there's another thing. You can click here to see more. Just click on this more. Now, the age bracket that's supposed to see your ad, depending on what you're selling, make sure you come to this age and increase it. Now, people of 18 years, they are going to see your ad, but they may not, they may like it. They may see your ad and like it and of course want to buy it, but because they don't have money, people at 18 years, 18 years old people, they may not be working, they may not have money, they may still be students. So you want to consider taking it to 22 years old. Most 22 years old people are already working or doing business or doing something and they have money, so they can actually see your ad and buy. All right, so 22 is very good. Change it to 22. Yeah, then all languages, everybody. Yeah, that's fine. So everything here looks good. The next thing you want to do is to click on next. So this is the ad level itself. Okay, so make sure you change the name to the same name, the ad level. Yeah, so we have it at the same name. Then we go down. The next thing is your identity. This identity is actually the page, because you can only run your ad on a page. You must have a shop before you can sell, so you must have a page. So this page is your business, your Facebook page that you've created. All the pages you have in this account is going to come here, so you can click here to see all of them. But here we have just one page, which is the one we created. If we create more pages, they are going to be here, so you can select the page that you want to run this particular ad on. So this is the page we'll be using. Now this is where the magic happens. If you set up this ad, it is going to be running on Instagram as well. All right, people on Instagram will be seeing this ad, people on Facebook will be seeing it, so you'll be getting traffic from both platforms. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. This is where you do the connection. Now here is the Instagram page, but we don't have anyone here, so you need to connect it. So click on connect page. It is going to take us to Instagram and show us the accounts we have on Instagram. As you can see, these are the two accounts we created. So this is the one I want to add it to. So you log into this one. So now the account is connected. See, it has connected that account, but it says your ad won't run on Instagram because that account doesn't have a profile photo. Don't worry, this is simple. So just simply go and add a profile photo and we'll be back. So let's go back to our Instagram. Let's use our phone to go to Instagram. We'll simply go to Instagram, log into the page. This is our page on Instagram. So here is the page. You just simply add a photo. Click on the photo icon, add a profile photo. So it's going to bring us to, it's going to bring us here. So we just go down and add a photo. Let's look for a picture of watch, since we are selling watches. So we can use this one. This is good. So this is okay. We'll add it. Add it. And voila, the photo is there now. So we've added a profile picture. Now let's go back and continue the ad. So let's just refresh the page so that it's going to see the profile picture that we've added. So here we are. Our Instagram account is connected. So you see the profile picture has been added and everything looks good. This is the Instagram account. This is the Facebook account. They are both connected. So when we run this ad, it's going to be running as Chris Business School on Facebook, and it's going to be running as Chris Business School on Instagram. This is amazing. So let's proceed. The next thing is to add the ad creative, that is the creative source. We're going to use manual upload to upload our creative. So you come to formats. Now we have three formats. Here is the single video. We can also use carousel. I showed you carousel in that the one that has plenty of pictures. You can also use collection. So but we're just going to stick to single video or image, which is we'll just upload one video or one image, which is very okay. So come down to this place, click on add multimedia, then click on add video. If you want to use an image, let me show you. So if you want to use a flyer, an image, you just use an image, upload the flyer here. If you want to use a video, so we want to use a video of our own, we click on this, then it brings us here. You're going to click on upload. Click on upload here. It's going to bring us to this place. Then so go ahead and choose the one that we want to use. Let me see. Select the video you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one. Okay, this is fine. I'll just click on it and then click on open, and then we'll wait for the video to upload. As you can see, it's uploading already, and it has uploaded very fast. So the next thing we want to do is to click on this. So cancel this. Next, click on next. Then you can play your video and see how it looks. This is how people will see it. As you can see, it is looking all okay. Then click on next. These are the different formats it's going to show on. Just keep it at the original. This is okay. Let's see how the recommended looks. Okay, this is better. This is bigger. So original, this is recommended. Choose recommended. This recommended is just is going to have a full screen on Facebook. All right, so that's it. The next thing I want to click is on done. Then it's going to bring it here. So this is how it's going to look on different Facebook platforms, on Instagram as well. So let's see the error message. Say call to action requires your so we're going to get to that. So our video is uploading. Look at the different places it's going to upload, and this is how it's going to look on Facebook feed, on video feed, on Instagram marketplace. All these places are the places your ad will be running on Facebook. Look at it on Instagram Explore, Facebook, all of them. So this is how it's going to be running. Now the next thing is to go down, go to our creative, our primary. So you need to put a text here, something that people will read before they see the video. So let's just copy the one we have on ChatGPT, or we'll simply ask ChatGPT to write another one. Say write and add creative, write and add copy to advertise Series 9 Pro smartwatch with 25% discount and free delivery. All right, so we're just going to allow ChatGPT to write it for us, then we'll copy it. Then you come to your primary text and paste it. You can actually write it, put it the way you want. All right, you can say, what does it say? Your ad headline can be longer than, oh, this is headline. Sorry, I copied it in the wrong place. So it's supposed to be in the primary text. Primary text can be longer. So this is it. You may want to put your phone number if you want. If you don't want, so the heading, on the heading you can just type Series 9 Pro. Then you do something like this: free delivery. Good. So look at this. Look at this. This is how it's going to look on Facebook. See. So people will see this write up. They can read the write up, that write up here, then see the video. This is the video. Then this is the heading. They can now click on this link. But this link says learn more, which is wrong. This is not what we are supposed to write here. We're supposed to have maybe other noun, or maybe buy now, something like that. So you come down to this call to action, click on call to action and change it to order now or get offer. So it's going to be order now. So you see it's now order now here. All of them will change to order now. So this is good. Everything here looks good. Nothing is missing. Then we go down. Everything looks good. So very important, your website URL is very important. You need to put the website URL so that when they click it, they will land on your website. So here you can decide to put your WhatsApp link, short link, but remember we are using pixel, so you need to copy this pixel, the pixel to the product you're selling. All right, so let me get a pixel to this product so that it will bring them here. So I'll just copy this pixel, this or I can come here and see view public link. I can just click on view public link, and this is the link. So I'll copy this link and then come here on Facebook and put the link here. So that's it. That settles it. So you put the link of the place you want them to go when they click on the link and wants to buy. If you want them to come to your WhatsApp, if you want them to come to your, okay, we are still going to do another app for WhatsApp. So your landing page, if you have a landing page, or if you have maybe anything, a website. So we are using seller because we have a seller pixel here, and that's it. So this is another important part. Once now, if this ad is running for some people that cannot, maybe their network bad, or they cannot access the website, what else do you want them to do? So do you want them to call you? If you choose this call, you will need to put a phone number so that when they see this video, if they don't want to go to the website you want them to go to, they can also see an alternative that they see a phone number there to just call you instantly. Or do you want to send them to WhatsApp? If they see the ad, they can just click a link that will take them to your WhatsApp. Okay, so and that is it. So but we don't want any of that. We just say none, and that is all. You come down to tracking. Now, tracking website. This is the pixel. So to fix this error, let me see the pixel. So let's test the pixel. Come to seller, copy this, go to Facebook, paste that link here, and test open website. Yeah. So this is the website. So okay. If I try to come here, if I click on checkout, let me see. So and then I go back to check the event. So you see it is picking the pixel. This is what I clicked. You see, add to cart. I view the content. I page view. I try to add the cart. This is where I am now. Add to cart. I'm about to make payment. Sorry. So I'm about to make payment. If I pay for this course right now, it's going to record it as purchase. But so the pixel is working 100%. Okay, that's fine. So come back here. Let's refresh this thing. So come back here. We can see that everything is working perfectly well. So when you come to tracking, the pixel is working. It is now working perfectly well because we fixed it. So everything here looks good and there is no issue at all. Now, remember when I was doing the targeting, I told you that if you want to run into different countries, you can duplicate your ad. So at this point, after setting up everything, you can just simply come here and duplicate this campaign. When you duplicate it, then you come to the target level and change the targeting to the next country or the next location you want to, target, so that you have two different ads. Okay, so but that's not what we're going to do. This is very okay. Everything looks good. Then the next thing you want to do is to hit on next. Once you click on next, you can see from here that your ad looks good. This is the number of people that will see your ad from 1.6k to 4.7, 4.5k. Everything looks good. Then click on next. So I want to tell you about thumbnail. You can actually add your thumbnail. You can just come here, click on edit placement. You come to thumbnail. Now you can come to thumbnail. When you come to thumbnail, choose on manual. Click on manual here. Now you're going to see different part. This is like a picture. The first thing that I want them to see that will attract their attention, they will start before the video starts playing. So you can choose any of this picture. This one is good already. Okay, this one is okay. Prefer this one. Or you can upload your own picture if you have a flyer or something else. I normally design flyer on Canva to use, but this is good. You can save this and use it. So this is what you see first instead of seeing this one that looks boring. So you can do the same for all of them. You can do edit, go to thumbnail, click on manual, go to the one you want them to see. Maybe this one is save. This is good. So you can do that for all of them if you want, if you have the time, and that's good. So everything looks good. All you need to do is just to publish. Hit on publish and wait. Your ad is going to be published. So let's wait and see. So it is loading. So as you can see, it is publishing the three levels: the campaign, the ad set, and the ads. Three of them publishing. So guys, our ad has been published successfully. This ad has been published successfully. So you can actually edit it anytime you want. Then you can go back to, let's go back to Ads Manager and see how it looks like. So when you come back to your Ads Manager, this is the ad. You can edit, you can view charts, and everything looks good. So this is saying no ads at the moment because it's still publishing. Now, Facebook is going to start reviewing this ad. You need to give them time. Sometimes it takes few hours, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, for them to review this ad. If it doesn't go against their policies, then the ad is going to be approved and it become active here. So for now, it is still under review. So this is the ad. We're back to the ad manager. As you can see, our ad is here and is processing. So Facebook is actually going through the ad. Once they go through it and then it doesn't go against their policy, they are going to approve it and it's going to turn to active. It will start running. People will begin to see the ad and begin to take action. All right, you begin to see results. So let me just show you the metrics. If you move like this, you're going to see this is the amount spent. Once this ad begins to run, you're going to see the amount spent here. Remember, we funded this account with 1,000. So for each click, for each sale, for each purchase, all of them will be recorded here. You'll be seeing that the budget, the impression, this is going to show you how many people have actually seen this ad on Facebook or Instagram. The figure is going to be here. Everything, the cost per click, the cost per 1,000 impression, how much Facebook is going to charge you for each 1,000 person they show your ad to is going to be there. Then the reach, how many people this ad has reached, the frequency it is going, this call to the call through rates is going to be here. You'll be seeing everything. How many people have clicked on your link? You're going to see it here. The cost per click, each person that clicks a link, how much it costs is going to be here. Return on ad spend, how much you made is going to be here. Every single detail will be here. You can track the whole thing here once this ad begins to run. And then you can also add as many more campaigns as you want. The next one will come here, the next one, and just like that. So that's it. So you see on that this thing, that our Facebook structure, that our Facebook hierarchy, you saw that you can have multiple campaigns in this ad account. You can have multiple ad sets under the ads um under the campaign, and you can have multiple ads inside the ad set. Okay, so that's it, guys.
A few moments later.
So, guys, it's been like it took about 1 hour 30 minutes for them to review this. Then I got a notification from Facebook that my ad is scheduled or running. This is approved. If we refresh this page, so if we refresh the page, you're going to see that the ad is active. You can see that it is active. And if you check so far, it has reached it has shown on 112 devices and it has reached 105 people. Now, this is the amount that I've spent so far for each 1,000 people that sees the ad. This is what I'll be spending. All right. So let's go on. Frequency 7.1%. 7 people actually clicked the link. And then this is exactly how your ad works. So everything looks good. The ad is working. So if you want to pause it, maybe you want to stop it from running, you just click here, turn off. Once you turn off, the ad is unpublished and it will no longer be active. People, it will stop running. That's all. So if you want to turn it on, you just come here and turn it on. It will start running. So guys, this is it about ad. Everything is working perfectly. As soon as this is approved and starts running, you begin to get results. You begin to get results. Okay. People will start messaging whatever I want them to do. If you want them to start going to your website, as you can see, we already have some people clicking the link. Out of 112 people, out of 102 people that the thing has reached, out of 112 people that this ad got to their device, 7 persons has clicked the link to go and check out our website. So you see, out of these 7 people that have clicked the link, 1 or 2 or 3 persons would actually buy the product, or if it was to be messaging, they will be in your inbox right now, messaging you, talking to you about the product and all of that. So this is amazing. So I can rightly say that now you are a pro and can now set up your ad from beginning to the end and then get results as a pro. Congratulations. So in the next video, we're going to be creating using our phone to create this thing, but we're not going to be using a website. We'll just be directing them to our WhatsApp, so that all these link clicks will be coming straight to our WhatsApp and not going straight to the website. They'll be coming straight to our WhatsApp and not going straight to any website. All right, thank you for watching.